inside the kirikiri, who can replace am for inside the kirikiri for there? That one na the question wey be say we wan ask. Make e not be like say wetin we dey hear those days say na true. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is the first time you just did get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we post video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. This is our channel now. Tori now the talking now. Pidgin English will take the knack our Tori for here. We're not just here to talk, but if you share this video together, I believe we're gonna save someone today. Today's story we want to talk about our late president Yar'Adua son. Yar'Adua na president of Nigeria during the time of Goodluck Jonathan, if I'm not mistaken. It be like say during the time when he be president, now he take Beme, then Goodluck Jonathan can't take over before Goodluck Jonathan can contest, he can win. So, but now our late president Yar'Adua son, now we want to talk about today. When I see this story for Sahara Reporters, it make me remember so many things back home. It make me remember one of my relative, almost the same thing happened to him. So we'll go straight to the story first. This Yar'Adua son, he can't get accident, serious accident. According to Sahara Reporters, they allege to say if they drive rough, if they too much speed, it can't go jam some cars, and it can't be like say 6 people now involved for the accident. 4 people die, then 2 they say they get serious injury. So when they come see say now they drive rough, they come kind of go kiri, they come put them for there. So now the judge can't say they go judge or shookman put for the matter. So everybody they expect say he don't dey kiri until when they go judge the matter, because according to the news they say they never grant her bail, but he just did there. So all of a sudden now they come see and say it already dey outside. Now they see for years so where if for they eat, now they snap her, now they kind of come social media say person when is supposed to dey kiri when be say he 4 people and 2 people get injury because of the way it take drive. If they enjoy itself, they eat. Say it's not supposed to be so. So now make me come talk or come shook my put for this matter. You know, because sometimes the way Nigerians they do things, we know they understand. Somebody when is supposed to dey say kiri after wetin happen, they never grant her bail for public. Then they just stand for outside. Who can dey inside the kiri? Who can replace am for inside the kiri for there? That one na the question wey be say we wan ask. Make it not be like say wetin we dey hear those days say na true. Abi because of say na former president pikin, na make they give am the grace make it take come out. But I know say they talk and say law is for everybody. E no get big man, e no get poor man. Una the Kanu dey for inside kiri now. They never even talk how they want to bail am. They never even come court that very day of the court day. But somebody when be say koro see me I see you, they say it pay 4 people, the person already there outside. No. And the way they even take bring her come and not be for public, they just bring her come and secretly. If they outside, they enjoy a life. Many people don't say if they inside kiri. It's unfair. It's really unfair. So all these things where they talk about say that they use person, they replace person for inside kiri. Now real truth. I remember those days, one of my relative, very stubborn boy. Because of his stubbornness, when be say people come carry and go kiri, family not gree shook mouth put, family not gree talk. They say like they not go talk, me stay there, say it too stubborn. So at a time, you know, even though say person is stubborn or bad, one person must surely they when be say go see fee for the person. So you can't get one of our another relative when be say they go they see and won't see me why not be like that. You know, he know somebody for inside where they for put on for kiri for there. He know somebody for there. So he can't leave a number with that person. Say family, they don't abandon this person because of his stubbornness. But in case anything, may you always dey give me information. Being one day, that was say they call us, they say, Mona come, Mona come, quick, Mona come the house of una brother. They want use and replace somebody. We be say he want go live kiri. If una no come they check on this una brother, they go use and replace person when want go live kiri. Then I see they very young go. Why can't they imagine say how come person wey not do that kind of thing to take go live kiri they can't use and take replace person? Say they do this kind of thing. Now so family come begin they gather money, come they go they see how they take bring and come out from inside, because in as much say if they stubborn, they not still want me they lose am, you understand? So it can make me they remember say okay now this year I do a pikin. It no dey say kiri now, it dey aside. That one don't miss say they want use another person to replace her. That one are the question when we never understand for inside this matter now. This kind of offense when he hold in hand, so this one not be just normal offense now when you say na just small offense make they leave am. This one a person life now involve four people. These 4 people they get family now involve. The other 2 get serious injury. Not be just easy matter when you just overlook say may you throw away your face like that. Then all of a sudden you just dey outside they enjoy itself. And I know say maybe some of una go dey hear and say sometimes that they use person they replace person, especially that time when be say that they use omila just they give them life back. Most people when they give life when they carry come out, not be the people when be say they recommit that crime. Maybe I don't know, maybe. But it's not really good say law go there for only poor people, it's not there for rich people. I don't know that one understand me. So I use this opportunity to tell anybody when be say you get any relative, I pray may your relative not go kiri. But if they kiri, mona try mona the ask of them. Even Jesus Christ, he talk as anybody when get anybody for inside kiri, may they go visit the person because it is very important. Anybody when get person for kiri, mona no abandon them for there at all. Una see what they happen now. Especially for that Nigeria, una see this man now is out. Who know who they there? Or after you don't enjoy a life finish for outside, you can't go back again, go answer the matter. Because normally they're supposed to give and pay publicly so that everybody will know say they don't give and pay, go they from us, they go court. Not be say they never give and pay. How come? You can't take come out, go they enjoy itself. I fear Nigeria people. I don't know what to think about this whole story. Because this one another lesson when we say everybody go learn and again not do anything when it go make you go kiri, not do anything, because if you just do your own now see what they have why the country they be innocent people they replace people when commit big offense, because say that innocent people when commit small crime if their family abandon them for there now be say they don't use them to replace people when commit big crime. So I don't know what you guys think about this story, because now what me remember during our relative home, because they really call us that time we call they run up and down. We will be say we not go ask of the person. They begin they go the ask of the person, can't try to bring the person come out. If not, now story for year. If not be say that's one of our relative can't know somebody for side there. Now so for years say they say now so no answer for and you don't payment. And so the story go take handle. This one another lesson for my people, but it's so sad say our country is still remain the way it be all these years. It never still change. Now my opinion now I carry come. I believe say in this life everybody get right to his own opinion. So if you drop your own opinion down there. So thank you so much my lovely people. I don't know what you really think about this video. Drop your opinion down there. Your opinion is very important. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, I believe you're going to save someone today. If you have not subscribed to this our YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Children is Red Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. and God will be your strength. Bring into true dreams with levity, and God will see